Hi, this is Christine and welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. Today I'm just doing a quick video to show this journal because I'm going to be listing it in my Etsy shop, and I like to include links so that whoever's interested in it can have a better look at it. They allow you only 10 photographs on Etsy, so it's not enough to really convey what the journals look like. It's a little velour pouch and it's held closed with an elastic, and these are the charms and beads that are attached to the spine of the journal, and I just leave this hanging out like that. It looks kind of pretty. And then here's the back of the little pouch. It's stitched and it's also lined on the inside. Now this is an art journal. So when I made my pouch, it's pretty much exactly the same size as the album, so the easiest way to take it out, it's a bit of a snug fit, is just lay it down like that and just push down on the fabric and it comes out easily. So here's my little journal. No embellishments in here because it's an art journal, so it's made for journaling, doodling, drawing, and whatever. So I'm not putting anything in here so that the person who gets this can just embellish as they wish. So as you can see, I've got 4 signatures in there, and here's the back. I really like this this paper. It's sort of artsy. I've got a mix of different papers in here. I've got some scrapbook design paper. I've got some tea stain paper. I even have some of this thick fabric. This is for embroidery. And I also have some thicker paper that's like mixed media. So let me go through it quickly. This signature, there's a little pocket on the side and I stitched the pocket, and I've got my tea stained paper. And this is mixed media paper. It's thicker, so you could actually do some painting on there. If you are, I would suggest you put something on the back and protect the front. And then I've got an envelope here. This is similar to the last album or the last journal that I just listed. And that's the first signature. And here's the second one. It's got horizontal pocket, and I punched a border along the top edge, and then I just stitched down to form the pocket. And I have a doily here, so you can tuck something in on this page. And here's the fabric. Another envelope. So everything is left plain so it can be embellished according to the person's preferences. There's another doily and the other pocket. The third signature, get another pocket there. So this is all ready to have images or stamping or journaling. And there's the back page. Now I made this with a recycled book that I obtained at a thrift shop. I'll include a link to my listing in my Etsy shop if anybody's interested in it. And also this little chain on the side here, that can be removed. It's just attached with a lobster claw. So have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.